How to fix the Riftbreaker crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game in your library and then open up the properties window, and then in the general tab under launch options you want to type the following command, which is -d3d11, or if this does not work you can try in -dx11 like this. And then you want to go to the installed files and click on this button, verify the integrity of game files, and wait for this process to finish, as it might take a while. Now once this is done you can close out of this window and close Steam, and then you want to open up your NVIDIA or GPU app, whatever GPU you have, and then you want to basically search for updates by going to the drivers section and checking for updates. In this case you want to make sure you have the latest game ready driver installed, and if you do have the latest one, try to reinstall it from here by just clicking this reinstall button. And once you do that you want to open up a new tab in your browser and simply search for redist like this, and then click on the first link which takes you to this Microsoft page, and then scroll down to this table right here and basically download and install the 86 version and the 64 version. Once you download them you basically get an installer like this, which you can run and follow along the steps to install. It's pretty easy. Now once you finish that you will need to restart your computer and just run Steam as administrator before playing the game by right clicking on Steam and click on run as administrator, and then simply just launch the Riftbreaker game, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.